What's going on, Matt?
What it do, baby?
So,
how you doing?
So, definitely got a little bit different from the last time I saw it.
Yeah, I mean, it's been through a lot of phases in the past. I mean, I've owned it 10 years now. It was four-cylinder turbo. I did a first iteration of the LS setup, and now I'm on iteration number 2. The goal to make it more streetable, because I'm doing drag week this year. So I had to do a new turbo setup with the new intake manifold to get the radiator back up front. So I was having a lot of issues, rear mount radiator, and been enjoying it now since the rest of the year.
Yeah. So I'll plug your YouTube channel in here as well too. So if you guys want to follow his build and all of it's been through, he's definitely got a hell of a track record with it. So.
Oh yeah, plenty of videos.
Yeah.
Getting more so now than I did before, but yeah.
Yeah, I remember when it was still a 1.6 turbo, and that was a bunch of fun.
Oh yeah.
Now I can't imagine with this new setup what it can do. So
it's pretty useless on the street, I'll be honest, but at the track it does really well now.
Yeah, so it's just is it a stock 5.3?
Yep, stock bottom end 5.3, factory 862 casting heads, stock valves. It's basically just got rod bolts, a camshaft, valve springs, retainers, and that's pretty much it.
Cool. What kind of turbo is it?
It's a Bullseye 85 Street Series billet.
Jeez.
I went to a Holley low ram with an intercooler now, so it's an air to water setup. I mean, on a full pass, it doesn't go anything over 110 degrees on the hottest day, which is great.
Wow.
That works real well.
And I'm assuming it's on some corn, right?
Yep. I've been running the Pure Power E85R as of now.
Nice.
I'm still not really pushing too much timing to where it needs to be any more, I guess, better race gas.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's been really happy. Plug reads look great. Timing marks where it needs to be. Fuel trims are great. I mean, it's been running well.
Sweet, dude. Definitely, I got to come out and see this thing on the track. We'll follow up with you.
Oh yeah.
But can you start it up for us?
Oh, jeez. I'll see it for a while. I don't even know if it is. I don't want to make a crowd.
My bad. My bad.
I'll turn the light on.
Look at the cool lights and everything. Oh wow. Okay.
Hey, you know Pedro Escobar? I mean, Pedro. What kind of cars? Or what does he do?
Very nice.
But yes, it's very nice.
So yeah, dude, definitely, I approve.
Yes, it's been fun. It's been a lot of fun. Honestly, it very much exceeded my expectations already.
Yeah.
I mean, the car's been together now for a year. Me and Miggy put this engine together in the garage.
Dang. We're gonna have to check out your car next.
I mean, we put it together in the garage. He did like 90% of the work. I supervised by just talking.
You handed beverages?
Yeah. He doesn't drink Mountain Dew, which is weird, but that's
what.
But yeah, I mean, it's been a home build, and I've tuned this car the entire year, and I haven't blown it up yet. So I mean, I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah. I mean, we seen it do some track pulls on the interwebs, and it looks like it boogies, dude.
No, I mean, last week in Atlanta it went 829, 166, and I mean, it's cooking. There's still more left in it.
I see a built motor coming soon with a wheelie bar.
No wheelie bar, but built motor, yeah. We'll see. I mean, I do want to get a 7-second pass with the stock bottom end. That is my goal. But time will tell. We'll see when that happens.
Sweet, dude. I appreciate you letting me film it, bud.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
All right, bud. What up, Mig?
What's up, dude?
So, what's up with the car? I noticed you got a big front end now.
Made it look like it.
Yeah.
Actually, it looks nice.
So,
don't go past the doors. It looks ugly.
So, kind of tell us the build real quick.
It's a 85mm dart and sleeve Delos VTEC. Arias piston, turbo tough rod, stock crank. It's got L19 head studs now. GSR cylinder head with SuperTech springs and retainers, and still has OEM ITR cams.
Here's the way I look at it, right?
Sweet. So what kind of power is it making?
The highest it's ever made is 779. I think like 35, 36 pounds.
What kind of turbo?
It's a Precision 6266 ball bearing.
And what's your best pass with it?
Best ET's been 9.8 at 140 letting off. Recently it went 9.9 at 152. Still trying to dial in the short track and get it to work.
Right.
But
cutting some good 60s and stuff like that.
dude, it went 168 to the 60 foot. Fucking horrendous.
Sweet, dude. All right, bro. We'll have to catch you at the track one day.
Hopefully, man.
Yeah.
Trying to see if I can add a weight plate to the car. If I can get it to go 158, 156, the car should go like a 9.6 or like 154, 155, something like that. Should be moving pretty decent.
Nice, man.
I mean, God
Cool,
willing.
man. I appreciate you showing me the car.
No problem, man.
Sweet. Should we start it? Nah.
I can.
We don't want to scare all the people away, dude. Looks pretty spicy, dude.
It's alright.
Yeah. I keep talking to Chris. I think we need to build a Honda, bro.
I'm down to help. That'd be
Sweet.
fun.
Yeah, I think we're gonna try to find some type of shell and just make it a shop car, just to have fun with it.
Oh, you have fun. You're
Yeah.
definitely gonna have fun, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. So it's probably sealed the deal again. So I appreciate it, bro.
No problem, man.